So this is Kavya Maran reaction after they lost the game against RCB there today. Comfortable winners for RCB there, and what a game was this in the end. Yes, it was not enough for them to get 2,200 and plus runs in the end, and they lost the game there. So I'll give you all the status updates from those latest IPL games there. So this is a wonderful victory for RCB there in the end. Yes, Sunrisers they have lost the game against RCB there. That's in a different reaction just from Kavya Maran there on it. Yes, comfortable win. This is for RCB there in the end. Absolutely wonderful. This coming back, I showing you glimpses there. So I'll give you all those latest updates from those big games. So stay tuned. And yes, there's a funny reaction this from the Kavya Maran there in the end. So that's it. Stay tuned for those latest updates from I want to pull it. Take care.